This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Cindy Caskey. Shows like a model home. All new windows, new French doors in living room and new sliding glass door in primary bedroom. New durable waterproof flooring throughout first floor. New kitchen, flooring, sink, countertops, all cabinets, redesigned kitchen with pass-through and custom shelves with recessed lighting, blinds, appliances. New HVAC, air handler and compressor. All 3 bathrooms have been partially or completely remodeled with lighting cabinets, new tile, faucets, flooring, hardware and shelving. Lots of new crown molding throughout, newer carpet, recessed lighting and custom fixtures. New deck on second floor off of the primary bedroom overlooking trees. Custom aluminum rain protection on back patio. Pier Point Landing is convenient to bases, Chic beach, breweries, interstates, dining and shopping off of Shore Drive by the Chesapeake Bay Beach. Everything has been done. For more information, review the details below or contact Cindy Caskey at 757-422-2200.